Past paper repeated MCQs you must prepare. Economics is the study of wealth, welfare, scarcity, growth. Scarcity. Opportunity cost mean money cost, accounting cost, alternative forgo, fixed cost. Alternative forgo. Option C. Microeconomics was popularized by Adam Smith, Alfred Marshall, Keynes, Robbins. Alfred Marshall. The central problem of an economy is inflation, poverty, scarcity of resources, unemployment. C. Scarcity of resources. Macroeconomics deals with individual firm, individual consumer, aggregate economy, price of a product. Option C. Aggregate economy. National income is studied in microeconomics, welfare economics, macroeconomics, development economics. Option C. Macroeconomics. GDP is measured at factor cost, market price, constant price, basic price. Option B. Market price. Inflation is caused by increase in money supply, increase in output, increase in saving, decrease in prices. Option A. Increase in money supply. Factor price is determined by supply only, demand and supply interaction, government rules. Option C. Demand and supply interaction. Marginal productivity theory says factor get paid. Average productivity, marginal productivity, arbitrarily productivity equally. Option B. Marginal productivity. The demand for a factor of production is independent of the product's demand. Derived from the demand for the product it helps produce, fixed and inelastic, controlled by government only. Option B. Derived from the demand for the product it helps to produce. What happens to factor price if the supply increases assuming demand is constant? Factor price rises, factor price falls, factor price stays the same, factor price fluctuates randomly. Option B. Factor price falls. Monetary policy in Pakistan is controlled by Ministry of Finance, Federal Government, State Bank of Pakistan, IMF. State Bank of Pakistan. Option C. Main objective of monetary policy is to control exports, tax revenue, inflation, development. Option C. Inflation. Public finance deals with private expenditure, government revenue and expenditure, banking system, foreign trade. Option B. Government revenue and expenditure. Largest industrial sector of Pakistan is cement, textile, sugar, fertilizer. Option B. Textile. Major hurdle in industrial development of Pakistan is skilled labor, capital surplus, energy crisis, technology abundance. Option C. Energy crisis. Islamic banking is based on fixed interest, speculation, profit and loss sharing, gambling. Option C. Profit and loss sharing. Riba means trade, profit, interest, investment. Option C. Interest. Islamic banking in Pakistan operates under conventional law, Sharia principles, IMF rules, WTO rules. इसका आंसर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें. लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर क्यूरियस इकोनॉमिस्ट हब.